Hey, happy greetings, everybody. This is Johnny Rodriguez, and I hope everybody is safe. I hope everybody is having a good time. And this is that time of the year when it is time to open the presents. So these are presents that my brother sends me. So let's go out with this smaller one first, and then I'll go check out this gizmo in a little bit. But first, let's check out what I got here. Alright guys, so I'm gonna open the first present from the 1 hour teas. Yeah, let's check this out. The 1 hour, the 1 hour tea. Well, yeah, it is from that company, but from the Pro Wrestling Tees, hoodie, beanie. That might sound a bit right now, but yeah, this is a pretty cool present. And then here, of course, it just says what I got, the Spree logo beanie from Pro Wrestling Tees. Pretty cool, pretty awesome, I love that one. And then I'm gonna open this one, the big box. This on my shirt. Okay, so this is from Cool Hot Topic, and what do I see here? This looks really cool. Obviously from Dragon Ball Z. Or Dragon Ball Super. I love coffee, and what's a better way to have your morning coffee than with a Dragon Ball Z coffee mug? This is pretty awesome, pretty epic. Show that there. So that's one present. I guess that's everything. They just have a whole bunch of wrapping paper to make sure that this mug would arrive in a good, safe, and timely manner. But that's pretty cool. I really like the presents. I love the mug. I love the beanie. Pretty awesome. Hey guys, so this is Johnny Rodriguez. See you next time. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Be as safe as possible. And I'll be seeing you guys next time. Yeah. I think I'm going to be having my little coffee in a little bit with this mug.